Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. This is just a little amendment that I want to just add on to the end of this video. So we were looking at grouping notes, beaming notes and sorting out rests into groups. And I just want to point out on page 21, so this is exercise 1F in the grade 2 part F video. And if you'll notice just here in this third bar, I mentioned these two semiquavers make half a beat, or these two quarter notes make half a beat. However, you'll notice I've only just written one beam and there should be two beams there, so that's just me getting carried away whilst we're chit-chatting, and it needs another beam there. So just if I could just point that little amendment out to you where I've not quite finished that bar properly. Okie dokie, thanks for watching. If it is that you're working through these videos, there are loads of resources available to help you on my website. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find loads of PDF information sheets. They're available in US letter or A4 to accompany each step of this series. And you'll also find links to all of my YouTube video tutorials where I work with you step by step through each of the ABRSM theory grades. You can also access information about the books that I have available. So please visit sharonbill.com. It's all there for you. If you can give me a like and a subscribe, that'd be great. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.